challenges that many of them endure, such as forced marriages at such a young age. Although I lack financial resources, I was not without food, and importantly, I had a supportive environment filled with love, something that many of these children are missing. I believe that many of you can relate to this experience. My hope is that we can all consider making small sacrifices, such as skipping Jollibee meal and maybe postponing online purchases like Lazada or Shopee. Sponsoring one student is only 1,200 a month. This is very little because I said, why it's 1,200 a month for just rice? And I said, why it's cheaper? They said, because it's corn. So corn, mais, ang ilang kanon. So they need it so that they will show to their classrooms not hungry. Some of them, they don't have meal for 3 days. So every contribution, even a single peso, can make a significant impact in the lives of this 1,200. If you cannot afford that, 40 pesos a day, every peso can make a significant impact in the lives of these children. So let's take action to support them. Thank you.
Happy Sabbath once again, dear brethren. I just want to thank everybody for your help nga atong nahatod dito sa Sulans High School last Sunday. So we've gathered a total amount of, from this church, we have gathered a total amount of 56,500. Part of that, mao tong gitukod sa ilahang nasunog nga dormitory. And then part of that, mao tong atong gifeeding sa mga bata, nagpakaon ta dito. Gipakaon nato sila Chicken Joy, gipakaon nato sila og lami nga pagkaon. Then nanghatag po ta dito og katong goods nga mo-sustain sa ilaha until next weekend. Kaya ilahang graduation is next weekend. So, in behalf of the Sulans Department of this church, I would like to say thank you so much mga kaigsunan sa inyong matinabangon na mga kasing-kasing nga atong nahatod dito sa Sulans High School. I just want to add a little dito sa testimony ni Ma'am Annie. Many of those children were runaway brides and runaway grooms. Nanong runaway brides and runaway grooms? Because at the age of 9, 10, or 11, ginakuha na sila sa ilahang parents, gina-arrange marriage. Whoever ang una nga makahatag sa demand sa parents, mooy ipaminyo dito sa ilahang anak. And these children are not happy of that kind of practice. So most of them, they will have to travel, they will have to walk mountains to go to escape ng layas from their home going to Sulans High School. Actually, mga kaigsunan, ang pinaka-need sa mga bata diri sa Sulans High School is bugas. Dili kay nila need ang sudan. Kailangan sudan dito mga kaigsunan is seafoods. Wa may dagat dito, no? Pero seafoods ang ilang sudan dito. What they see is their food. So, mga nga bugas lang June, ang ilang kinahanglanon dito. This coming June, katong group nga diadto dito, we plan to go back again this coming June 12. And we are inviting this church again to be part of this another outreach this coming June 12. Ang pinakabata nga ni Kuyog sa amoa dito mga igsoon nga ni Bactas is 5 years old, si Nathan. Ang pinakabata kani adto nga ni Kuyog po sa amoa dito is 69 years old, si Ma'am Wines. So it's a challenge, no? Nga kaya ni Ma'am Wines, kaya ni Nathan. So nga nung dili na to kaya, but I know nga dili tatanan mga igsoon makabaktas og ato kalayo, no? Ang ato kalayo baktas ni og mga 2 to 3 hours I think nga among pabaktas pasaka. Padulong dito is pasaka tanan. Pag panaog, pagpauli, panaog na po tanan. So dili man ta tanan makaadto mga kaisonan, it's not an excuse nga dili ta makatabang. Ang atong tabang kami magdala dito. We are willing, mga igsoon, nga atong among daton ang inyuhang tabang dito. Ganina, naglingkod ko dito, akong gi-calculate. What if we'll commit 1 cup of rice a day? Lisod ba mga igsoon? 1 cup lang, dili 1 salmon ha? Just 1 cup of rice a day. Starting tomorrow, atong i-commit until June 12. So akong gikwenta mga igsoon, that is more or less 80 days more to go. So, og mo commit ta og 1 cup of rice a day, I think murag dili ra gid kay sa bugat para sa ato ang mga igsoon kay mamalit gani tag Shopee og di nato ganahan, ilabay ra gid nato. No, or ato lay padaplin kay di ta ganahan. So how much ato must spend for that? So if we can commit starting tomorrow 1 cup of rice, per person can gather 80 cups until June 12. So if 50 people of this church today will commit, we can gather around 15 kilos of rice is the 80 cups. If 50 people will commit 1 cup of rice starting tomorrow, we can gather around 750 kilos until June 12. And that is around 15 sacks of rice, mga igsoon. Bugat pa, dili? Dili. No? Dili ra kay bugat 1 cup of rice a day. So, naghinaot ko mga igsoon, we'll pray for that. Amo nang iyang po, ludhan na namo mga kaigsunan, nga the Upper Room Fellowship Center, matinabangon man jud nga iglesia that we can gather again an amount or rice jud ang atong target this coming June 12 mga kaigsoon nga atong mga madala dito. So thank you so much and we are praying for that commitment nga atong ihatag starting today. Happy Sabbath to all.
Thank you, everyone. Before